Hello, my name is Mendy Geyer. Over the past 10 years, I've been storing all my pictures, videos, documents, music, anything I would want to save on this one hard drive. Fast forward to about a year and a half ago, I plugged in the hard drive and it would not show up on my computer. I asked some friends, I googled different things, and I could not get it to work. So I put it on the side and completely forgot about it. About a year later, I came across the hard drive and I was wondering what's on it because honestly I haven't seen it in a while and I have things on it that go back years. So I went online and I found this company called Pitts Global Data Recovery. I called them up and they do exactly what I need. They restore hard drives, amongst other things. So I sent them my hard drive and they gave me a quote that was not exactly within my budget. I called them up and they said that they're going to work with me and help me out. About a month later, I got an email that my hard drive is ready to be verified. So I took all the steps for the verification. I got lost in all the memories, seeing things that I haven't seen in a while. After verifying my hard drive with Pitts, they sent me a brand new hard drive completely restored. Thank you, Pitts.